Alright guys, listen up. I've got the HP 15-inch laptop, and about, what was it, last week? No, maybe 2 weeks ago, I got the dreaded blue screen, and then all of a sudden black screen, like the Apple Mac there. So I went online and and also on the caps lock key, it would right in the corner there's a little light. In fact, I'll turn it on. You can see the light. So what this would do, it would flash 3 quick ones and then 2 short ones, like that. So I watched a couple of videos on there, and I looked on, did a Google search, and it said something about, because of those three lights and then 2 lights, it was memory. So I tore into it this morning, and I actually changed the CMOS battery, and I got 2 sticks of RAM in here, 8 gigabytes of RAM each, so that's 16. So what I did was just switch flop slots, and lo and behold, bam, look what happened. I was like, ooh man, I'm proud of myself. Pat me on the back. So anyway, it's up and running. Let's see how long it'll last. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.